Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this beautiful lipstick to try out. This is from the brand Eleman and it's the matte liquid lipstick in the shade Miami. And I just got this in my June 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, so that unboxing video is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. But I'm so excited about this because I love liquid lipsticks, but this packaging looks so gorgeous and this color looks so pretty. Definitely the type of shade that I would pick on my own. So I think Ipsy did a great job with this one. And this is $18 retail value. It's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free. So let's go ahead and check out what the applicator looks like. Oh, nice. Just a classic small doe foot applicator. My next step is to see what it smells like. That is a very surprising smell. It smells fruity. Kind of smells like a strawberry or like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. Like more like a sour fruity, but yeah, it's still sweet smell. Smells so good. I love when my lip products have a really nice like watermelon scent. That's like my favorite type of scent for a lip product. I was not expecting this to smell like that. I'm so excited. The third step before applying it to my lips is to swatch it. So let's see how it looks. Ooh, very fully pigmented. And I love the look of this color. I'm so excited. Now it's finally time to apply it to my lips and let's see how it looks. I love that just one swipe gives that full opaque color. Okay, lipstick is applied. I really like the color, but for some reason I'm not finding it to be as flattering on me as I was expecting. Maybe it's because it's more of a bold lip and I need more of like a bold eye look to balance it out. But the formula is so creamy. It almost has like a balm feel to it, which I was not expecting. I think it's drying down, but it's taking a little while to dry down. But it is smooth, opaque color that is so comfortable on the lips. Like it does not feel drying at all. It really does feel like I'm wearing a lip balm. It definitely is showing texture on my lips, like the lines in my lips are very visible. So even though it feels very moisturizing, like that balm feeling, it doesn't look as smoothing and moisturizing as I would like, but it still looks even opaque. But I do feel like it has dried down now. So I want to see if there's any transfer. Because it's such a creamy feel, I feel like there's going to be a lot of transfer, but let's see. Oh wow! That is not as much transfer as I was expecting at all. Yeah. Just like a tiny bit of transfer. Let's see if it faded. Yeah, it's weird, like where there is kind of the kiss mark, it's like fully come off. So it looks like kind of patchy and uneven. That's interesting. So I will have to touch it up, but it's not like smudging. It's not completely coming off, but it's not really staying either. I've never really seen a liquid lipstick come off in patchiness like that. And when it comes to my favorite liquid lipsticks, I want them to be a long-lasting, absolutely no transfer. Like that's my perfect liquid lipstick. So this is not perfect. It's nice. Let's see. Oh yeah, like the swatch definitely still smudging and didn't fully dry down. So it's definitely a little different. It's pretty, but not my favorite. Yeah, like just tried to remove the kiss mark and it's really smudging. So it definitely smudges. And so it's just not like the easiest to wear, long lasting, apply and forget about it type of lip product. Like I'm gonna have to be aware to not smudge it, that it is gonna transfer and I'm gonna have to reapply. But a lot of lipsticks are like that. So if you've tried this out, let me know what you think of it. Let me know how it works for you, because something about this I just feel like is different, but not necessarily in a good way. But I'm very curious how your experience is with this. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.